Okay guys, hello everyone, hello all the guys. Okay, this is the day 3, today day 3, and we have the new challenge. This is the challenge, we can't jump. We can jump, this is the challenge. Okay, let's go play. We only can't to the left, right. Okay, no way. Let's go trying. What? Oh. 200, 313, not bad. Okay, let's go. Let's go beat the new record, new world record. Let's go. Oh, we have the boots, gold boots. Let's go. No way, guys. Okay, we have the 2000 score, not bad. 2094. Not bad, guys. It's the only first time. Not bad. Okay, let's go to the new challenge. It's a new challenge, guys. It's a very hard. Okay, guys, let's go, guys. 500, 600, 700 score, 800, 900, and 1000 score. Let's go, guys. 52 go. 50. Oh, 16. We have the 16 coins now. Yeah, not bad. Let's go. No way! Oh shit! This is the new hack life. Wow! This is the new bag. Oh, let's go, guys. Okay. Can I die? Let's go. How can I play? Oh god. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Doing now. And I'm going to home menu at the tap to play. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay. Oh. Let's go. 600, 700, 800. No way, guys. 1000 score. No way. Okay. What's that? Look at these guys. I have the remote control. Okay, let's go play. Left, right. Right. Okay, let's go. Hop. I can't jump, guys, I can't. Okay, let's go. One thousand score, 1,200, 300 score. No, yeah. Okay, guys, let's go. Doing the new It's a new challenge and it's hard. Okay, hop, 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 hop. Okay, guys, let's go to do 1000 score and it's all. Yes, it's all, guys. It's all. Let's go doing 1000 score, guys. Let's go. 600, 700. Yeah, 1000. Yeah, we do it, guys. Yes. Yes. Ah. Let's go. Oh. Yep. Let's go. Cool. We can doing more, guys. More score, guys. More. Let's go. 3,000, guys. 3,000. Yo. 3,000. Okay, let's go doing 4,000, guys. 4,000. Okay, 4,000, guys, 4,000, yo! What the heck? No way. Yeah, we are doing, guys. It's a, let's go. 5,853, guys. Let's go. Yo, it's my new record, guys. Okay, guys, it's all. Subscribe my channel and nice to meet you in new video. Fuck you.